Hey, we're back at World of Power Sports installing a big rear tire kit on a customer's Vmax. You could see that is a mighty large tire on this Vmax. I believe it makes it a 240. That's going up quite a bit, as you can see. This is Rick Rash's Vmax. There's lots of extras on it. There's Rick right there. He's getting his tire kit put on. Same day, his buddy's here as well. This is Wayne's bike. This is Wayne's Vmax that he purchased from me also. So, once you buy a bike, you can also put some goodies on it. Big fat tire kits on 200 horsepower Vmaxes at World of Power Sports.